1100 meters, 5.5 furlongs. They're off for the first. So Magnificent, Estelita and Mule Train miss it. Fiery Path didn't and gets a good run. Galway Bay rushing up on the outside with Crushing Power. Purple Wayne hidden from view in between horses. Sensational Storm and Crushing Power now form the line of two. Fiery Path hit a speed bump and fades quickly. There goes Hunter's Ridge in chase. They leave the half mile. Estelita races up next as they charge past the 7/16th. In behind Estelita, that's a reminiscing bowler. Then the pair of a Mule Train and So Magnificent as they race away now toward the 5/16th. They're almost there and out in front. Galway Bay blazes the trail under a snug wrap, looking to have a ton in hand, leading up by some 7 or 8 lengths. They turn for home and leave the quarter pole behind. They've got to catch this at Galway Bay. Asked to do so, best of them, that Sensational Storm down against the rail. Hunter's Ridge is in the centre, put to the stick along with Crushing Power. Fiery Path under the left-hand sticker nearest to us. But Galway Bay is full of run inside the last furlong. Galway Bay with that lead, beginning to tie up now. Here is Sensational Storm cutting into it. Galway Bay running on fumes. Sensational Storm and Mule Train now begin to storm forward. Now Mule Train burst out of the pack and Mule Train will beat Sensational Storm, then Galway Bay, Fiery Path. Purple Wayne has finished 5th.